Hello, my friends. Happy Monday. It is a brand new week, and I am so excited to be bringing you guys some extreme deep cleaning motivation in today's video. As you saw in the intro, we are doing lots and lots of deep cleaning. We're going to be focusing in the kitchen and my basement. So starting off here in the kitchen, we're just going to go ahead and tidy up and get the dishes done before moving on to some deep cleaning. So put me up on whatever device you are watching on and clean along with me. Enjoy your coffee, whatever it is you're doing. I hope that this video motivates and encourages you.
From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others, a cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning.
So I do use my dishwasher. I actually run it every single evening. It is part of my nighttime routine, and then in the mornings is when I unload it. But I do wash all of our knives by hand as well as our daughter's dishes. I don't put any of that stuff in the dishwasher as I find that it just doesn't last as long, but I would love to know if you wash any of your dishes by hand. To wipe my counters, I am using my Method all-purpose spray in the sea salt and lime. I use this all the time, and so I'm gonna go ahead and just use that to wipe down my counters and stove.
With you, there are no stop signs, counting down till we take flight. It's how you make me feel. Yeah. Let's call in sick and be lazy. I'm all for doing what's crazy, 'cause you make it real, yeah. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be. A different side of me, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat. A different side of me, yeah.
So now that the kitchen is all vacuumed, I'm gonna go ahead and pull out my Veleda mop and we're gonna get some deep cleaning done here. So I am using the Go Clean Co method. I just put some of the Tide powder in and mixed it with some really hot water to do my floors. And you will notice I do also wash my walls quite often, as well as my baseboards, using my mop. I just think it is so genius to reach up in those hard to reach areas. And then it also doesn't hurt my back as much. So I do like to pull out my mop and get that deep cleaning done quite often, as we live in an older house, and you know, there's just lots of stuff in this house. We'll say there's lots of cracks and crevices that the bugs get in, and so I'm just like constantly deep cleaning this house. But I would love to know, what do you consider to be deep cleaning? For me, it's really just like when you get down in the nitty-gritty cracks, cleaning the baseboards, washing the walls, mopping I would consider to be deep cleaning. It's just stuff like that, but let me know what you would consider to be deep cleaning.
Me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah.
Wide awake is the way that you left me, side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me, oh. Now it's clear we are here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake, now you keep missing out for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down
time I clean my floors and my walls and my baseboards, I find it so disgustingly satisfying just how dirty they are. My floors to the eye, yes, they get dirty, especially my kitchen floor, it really shows. But the walls and the baseboards, it doesn't really show how dirty it is until I actually get it cleaned. And again, I just find it so disgustingly satisfying. But anyway, now I'm going ahead and vacuuming our stairs. Our stairs also get really dirty, but this carpet is nice in the sense that it doesn't really show it either. So yeah, they really needed to be done. And so I'm going ahead and doing that before moving on to the basement bathroom here, which I just did an entire basement bathroom makeover. So if you want to see the before and after of this bathroom, I've also done some extreme deep cleaning specifically in this bathroom. So if you want to see any of those videos, I will definitely have them linked below so that you can check them out if you want.
Want to keep it nice and clean, not freak out and cause a scene. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Not sure who I really am, just be cute and super bland. I try to hold it together, keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high?
You know when the hair is going up that things are getting real. So we are tackling this shower. I can't believe half the stuff I show on camera to you guys. Seriously, I hope that you can appreciate how disgustingly satisfying it is when I clean my house. But I am going ahead and cleaning the shower here. I decided to use my mop. I know it's super weird. I've never done this before, but I was like, you know what? I mop my walls with my mop. I mop my baseboards with my mop. So like, why not try out my shower? Because every time I get down on my hands and knees, my back hurts. I have really bad back issues, you guys, especially for my age. I'm fairly young, like I'm under 30. So for me to have this many back issues is kind of insane. My chiropractor loves me. Lately, I've been trying to take it easier on my back, hence why I'm not like on my hands and knees cleaning all the time anymore. I used to really get down on my hands and knees and clean, like thoroughly clean my floors and stuff, but it was getting to be really hard on my back. I don't know. Let me know if you're the same. Maybe you don't have back issues. If you don't, you're still lucky. Ever since my second child, my back has just never really been the same. So anyway, now that you have my life story, I'm gonna go ahead and let the rest of the music play.
So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. Am I gonna need that song? Hit it. Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
Come with me. I'm gonna get this party lit. Come with me. Let's do something we'll regret.
'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record on. Am I gonna need that song? Hit it. When you were leaving, I need you even more than I did before. You had the last word when you walked out the door. You drive me crazy, I want you to stay here. Now I'm here alone. I hate this party and I don't know anyone. We get drunk and we fight, but I forgive you all the
Peak my daughter helping me clean in the background. She was so funny. She's like, Mama, I'm helping you clean. It was adorable. And then they found a spider and I had to go vacuum it up for them. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a quick load of laundry in, and then we're gonna come back to folding this laundry.
Still I need ya. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now we're back where it started. You say you're sorry, so we forget about it. Simple as that, but I don't know where my heart is. Still all that I want is you. Yeah, you. You'll be the death of me still. You're my medicine. Yeah, I need it. You light my fire just to put me out again. Still I need ya. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do? You'll be the death of me still. You're my medicine. Yeah, I need it. You light a fire just to put me out again. Yeah, I need it. Weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. I'm weak for you. Yeah, you. Yeah, you. Now I'm trying to let you go, but I'm always losing control. Is that what you want me to do?
All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching. It is really late now and I have to go to bed. So I'm gonna go wash my face and yeah, hit the hay. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this. I hope that you guys got motivated, and we will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Now I'm trying to let